What is up, guys? Welcome back to today's episode. Today we are cooking one of my favorites, which is Kerala fish curry, or just fish curry. Now this will replace the normal recipe in your household. It is amazing. So this fish curry originates in the southern part of India from a town called Kerala, which is a coastal town. They do a lot of fishing. The recipe is normally made with little small white fish like sardines or something like that. I prefer a bit more flaky meats like cod, salmons, that type of stuff. But for today's video, we are using butterfish. Now, if you want to see how that's done, remember to drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Stay up to date with the latest videos. But with that being said, let's get cooking. And we are back with another video today, diving into some delicious Kerala fish curry, pun intended. So yes, Kerala is often referred to as the land of the spices. It's renowned for its diverse and aromatic cuisine. And I just felt today we had to make this recipe. I'm an absolute sucker for fish curry. And there's nothing that truly captures the essence of this coastal state, such as Kerala fish curry. Now this tasty dish has its roots in some of the most diverse kitchens in the world. Kerala households each almost have a different variety of spice combinations and everything, and we took all of that spice blends and tried to put together a basic way of creating a Kerala fish curry that encapsulates all the delicious flavors. And to be honest, there's a few key ingredients which makes Kerala fish curry a must-try recipe. Firstly, the use of tamarind paste gives it a nice tangy taste to it, turmeric, chili powder, some fried onions and coriander. And let's not forget some delectable mustard seeds with a bit of spice. And that is literally how simple this dish is made. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like down below and leave some comments on content you'd like to see in the future. And now moving on to adding our spices, our delicious turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, as well as our cumin powder, all mixed together in a small little bowl. Our tamarind paste, you can dissolve this in a little bit of warm water. I did find it a bit tough to actually get it mixed into the spices just like that. It did tend to stay quite a bit solid. Rather dissolve it before and you just add it. You can just boil off with a little bit of excess water, it's not a problem. I pressed the fish firmly into place and then I covered it with some delicious marinade. And now we're just adding 1 can of coconut milk. One bit of advice I can give though is when you are consuming butterfish, as we found out, it does tend to create a bit of a oily substance in your body, which does create a bit of a, an odd feeling inside. But in future I think it would be best just switch it out with some different fish, maybe some cod specifically. Okay, let's give it a flip and have a look at our fish. I did try and move the fish quite slowly. It was very flaky and did break apart quite easily. Now this fish you can have with some rice, preferably basmati, maybe some bread. I think this day we actually had it with some bread. It was quite delicious. Some just toasted sear butter. You can have some butter naan with it, normal naan, some roti, anything like that is a good pairing for this type of fish. Beautiful. 5 more minutes and our fish should be done. As soon as the oil rises to the top, that's when you know
our sauce is reduced and the curry is cooked.
And there we have it. Our delicious Kerala fish curry is done. 25 minutes, all set. Delicious, buttery, flaky, spicy. Now for the last thing, we're going to dress this with some delicious cilantro, coriander, dhania, whatever you want to call it, as well as some mint leaves. And then we're going to give it a taste. Excellent. All done, and it smells amazing. So now for the best part, let's give it a taste. Look at that. So flaky. Get some of the sauce. Wow, that looks delicious. Wow, it's refreshing, it's zesty from the tamarind paste, got a bit of a umami taste to it as well, very savory, but all around delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.